Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm Little Travel Lexmark. This is here for Surya. You type here for the travel to look. This is why I'm search the VCL website for you. You might download for the VCL website. The VCL website not a virus and easy to download for the VCL website. This is here for VCL website. You click here and this is here for the landing page. You scroll down looking for the title driver and download your driver and sport. Click here for title driver and sport. This here for you click here for your driver and download title. Click here. This here for search model print, and this here for scroll down. Looking here, this here for support automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. This here for recommended driver for me. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for Linux version, you click here. This here for the update for the Linux version. This here for Fedora 21, 21, 22, 20, 13, 13.2, 13.3, 13.26, 27. This here for update for Fedora version. And for this here for also say this here for the Red Hat Ubuntu. This here for all much the support your version for the Linux. I'm sure for the Mac. This here for Mac version. You click here. This here for update for the Mac version. This here for Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 13. This here for Mac 10. I'm sure for Mac 13 and this here for Mac 13. Looking that release and this here for the new that release support your Mac 13 and this here for the language in this one. And this here for looking the driver. If you need to load driver Mac 13 driver printer, you click here. You click here for button start download. This here for the driver download. And this way I need to download driver for Windows and I need to install driver for Windows. And click here for the Windows. And click here for the version. This here for the new version for the Windows. This here for Windows 11 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1 driver, and this here for Windows Server support. This here for Windows 10 new Windows 10, and this here for Windows 11 new version for the Windows. Click here for the Windows 11 and looking that release, and this here for the new that release support your Windows 11. This here for the language English one. And a recommendation for you download for the package this year for the universal print driver installation package, and a recommendation for you download here. You click here and click here button start download. This here for your driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, the tech USB cable printer, and this one. If you finish driver download, if you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click here, you click upload, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tech automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you next time, the video.